So today is my first lesson on Excel, which starts with how to create a simple table in an Excel worksheet. So we will try to create a table of students in primary. So we have named the table, and then we will write the years, and then we will write the class, and this is class 1 in column B, class 2 in column C, class 3 in column D, class 4 in column E, and class 5 in column F. In years we can write 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. And what we can do is we need to centralize it. So to look more proper, we can merge these cells and also centralize the class. We can again select the cells, merge it, and students in primary school are merged also. So this is all hypothetical data. In class 1 we can write 35 students. Then year 2011 there were probably 50 students, then 48, 49, and again 50. We can copy this data into column C, column D, column E, and column F. So I have copied it, and I have Control V is a short key to that, and this is data has been copied. And now if you select this, say B4 to B8, now you can see is that the sum has already been appeared here. There are total 5 entries here. Okay, you can count it from there, from 4 to 8 there are 5 entries, and the average is 48.5. but you need to show it into the table. So there is a formula there, there's the equal button, press it, and then write sum, and then select, you can press shift and then up arrow button, and then close the bracket and then enter. So you have the same number here, 242 summation, and you have the same number here which I have shown you before, and this is 242. Now you can copy it in the other columns, and this is the result. And you can board it by Control B, and you can also do it from here. Okay, so this is my first lesson, and I will continue my lessons on Excel. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you very much.